Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to duplicate a Figma file. If you're new to Figma, or maybe you just want to make a backup of your design, or even try out some risky changes without touching your original work, duplicating a file is one of the handiest tricks to have up your sleeve. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know how to save yourself a ton of time and headaches. Let's dive straight in. So first up, you'll want to head over to your Figma dashboard. If you're not already there, go ahead and log in at Figma.com or open up your desktop app. The dashboard is basically your home base in Figma. It shows all your recent files, team projects, and drafts at a glance. Just take a second to find the file you want to duplicate. Sometimes, especially if you have a lot of files, it helps to use the search bar up top to quickly jump to the right one. Now, once you found your file, hover over it with your mouse. You'll see a few options pop up, but for this next step, what we want to do is right-click directly on the file's thumbnail or name. Don't worry if you're using a trackpad instead of a mouse. You can usually right-click by tapping with 2 fingers or holding down Control while you click, depending on your setup. If you ever accidentally click somewhere else, just try again on the file itself. When you right-click, a little context menu will appear. Take a moment to read through the options. Figma lets you do a lot right from this menu, like sharing, moving, or even renaming your file. But today, we're focused on duplicating. Look for the option labeled Duplicate. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, Figma immediately creates a copy of your file. You might notice a new file appearing in your dashboard, usually with Copy or Duplicate tagged onto the file name. That's your duplicated file. It's a complete clone of the original. All your pages, frames, components, and even your version history get copied over. This is super useful if you're collaborating or if you want to experiment without worrying about losing your main progress. A quick tip: after duplicating, I recommend renaming your new file to something clear and specific. Just right-click the duplicate file, choose Rename, and type in a name that helps you remember its purpose, maybe something like Homepage Redesign Copy or Backup before client changes. It's a small step, but it'll save you confusion down the road, especially when your project list starts growing. And that's really all there is to it. Duplicating a Figma file is simple, but it's one of those foundational skills you'll come back to again and again as your projects evolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a like. It really helps the channel out. Have any questions or run into a snag with Figma? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one and I'm happy to help. And if you want more straightforward, practical design tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.